Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our beautiful Bennington 23RSR. It's a 2019. This boat is equipped with the black paneling and the blackout package. Up here you see it has the docking lights. Entering the boat here, the boat has platinum with the pillow-topped seating, movable cup holders. Also has the beautiful carbon accent. Has a flip-down armrest on both front seats here. Nice wide seats for sitting. Storage under all the seats. It's got a very nice big helm. It's got the Cove captain chairs. It's got your cup holders here. This boat has the Kicker upgraded stereo system. It's got the Garmin Striker 4. It's got the Mercury gauges. Has the black sloped bimini for a very sleek, nice design and feel. This boat comes with the integrated ski tow bar for water sports. Also has fold down armrests on the back. Very nice wide seat base for comfort. Once again, it's got storage there. Flip up storage. The garbage cans, throw your beach towels in there. This boat comes equipped with a 350 Mercury Verado, amazing engine, plenty of horsepower on this boat. Great for skiing, getting everybody on this boat and shooting around the lake. This is a fantastic boat. Come in to check this 23RSR 2019 Bennington out at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Check us out at MarineMax Greenville.com.